Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to highlight my top 3 dividend stocks to buy for 2023. So let's get right into it. The first one of the stocks that I recommend buying for 2023, the dividend stock, is Home Depot. The company's management did an excellent job managing the pandemic. It's not an easy thing to do to experience a surge in sales like Home Depot did unexpectedly as a result of the pandemic, right? Home improvement spending soared in some quarters by over 30-40% for right after the onset of the pandemic. And Home Depot, there was no reason for it to be ready for that, to expect that. Nevertheless, Home Depot did an excellent job serving those customers, did an excellent job managing inventories, securing supply, making sure the company did so profitably. And so to me, that's a big deal when management can demonstrate skillful merchandising, and that's what Home Depot is. It's a merchandiser. That's what really got me excited about Home Depot stock. And now that home improvement spending has came down a little bit, it's not exploding like it was in the earlier stages. The stock has kind of pulled back, and so now the valuation is more favorable at a price to earnings, a forward PE of 18.8 and a dividend yield of 2.42%. Investors can also reasonably expect Home Depot to continue increasing its dividend modestly as it has done over the past 5-10 years. So this is one of my favorite dividend stocks to buy for 2023. The next one of my favorite dividend stocks to buy for 2023 is Deere and Company, the agriculture uh, equipment maker and supplier and seller. The company is benefiting from soaring commodity prices, right? The prices for food, farm products has been exploding, and so farmers have really been trying to increase their yield, make more product, gain more land, and they've been trying to purchase Deere's equipment at explosive levels, right? John Deere has a backlog of orders that it thinks it's going to persist well into 2023. Customers are waiting to get its hands on their products, even though Deere has implemented price increases somewhere to the tune of double digits to its customers, expanding its profit margins. And I know you're thinking, Deere's dividend yield of 1.06% may not be much right now, but if you're planning, and I'm hoping you're a long-term investor, if you're planning on holding this investment for the next 5 to 10 years, you can expect Deere to continue raising its dividend throughout this time. The company's got a backlog of orders. It's transitioning excellently into going into agriculture technology, some driverless technology for its equipment, some remote operating technology, some software, some selling these as a subscription instead of just a one-time sale of its products. So it's doing some innovative things that you're going to want to be a part of, and it's trading at a PE of just 15, a forward PE of just 15, and its customer demand for 2023 is pretty much is locked in for most of the year, right? So it's got reliable sales going into 2023 at good prices, at good margins. One reason why that's one of my favorite stocks to buy for 2023. All right, and last but not least, my third favorite dividend stock to buy for 2023 is Intel, and Intel boasts the best dividend yield out of all of these three stocks that I mentioned at a dividend yield of 5.59% and trading at a forward PE ratio of 13.37, which has came down meaningfully in 2022. Intel is not in such a good position like Deere is in terms of consumer demand. You recall folks bought electronic devices at elevated levels in mid 2020 and 2021, and now people are spending money on more away from home experiences, and so consumer demand may be pressured, sales may be pressured for Intel in the first half of 2023, but that's okay because that's, I feel that it's reflected in the stock price trading at a forward PE of just 13, right? At just 13, and this is is accounting for the headwinds already. This is accounting for earnings expectations next year, and you're still getting this excellent stock at just a PE of 13. All right, so there you have it. That's all I've got for this video. I've got longer descriptions of why I like each of these stocks as a buy on my channel. I think you're gonna like those. So if you want a more comprehensive analysis why these stocks are a buy, look through my channel. I've got the video on these. I've got multiple videos on each of these stocks. I think you'll like them. All right, so thank you for tuning into this video, and I'll see you next time. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.